Okay, folks, this is a review of the 16th of March in live trading room. So before the market opens, we send our pre-market report telling you what we're thinking to trade. Just really confirming as well the Fed slashed the overnight, the interest rates in America on Sunday night, and they were limit down. So America was actually closed until basically the American markets opened later on. Because they'd moved more than 5% down. The FTSE had an extreme gap, which I expected to attract because the market's very oversold, but we needed the 5-minute bar to break up to confirm this. So we weren't going to go for this target here at 5,200 unless the 5-minute bar broke up. I also said that if we did get a rally, that's a good 5,700 is a really good place to sell it. 5-minute bar trade, we actually was to be confirmed in the live room. We did actually take that. We'll come back to that in a second. Spikes, I'm not doing spikes at the moment because volatility is too high, and I like the closing gap, but we needed the first hour 1 hour bar to form and then break up. So if this bar didn't break up, we were going to leave it alone. Okay, so so that's basically what I said about there, and no swing trade. So let's have a look at the action and what we actually traded yesterday in the live room. All right, so this was the market open yesterday, and this was the first 5-minute bar. Now you'll notice the high of this bar here, it did not, let me just move this across a bit. All right, there we go. It didn't break up. Okay, so let's just put that line there. We never saw that broke up. We did say, however, that the breakdown was good. Ian had a 93% chance of that winning, and also with the volatility, I liked it as well. So we took the 5-minute bar breakdown officially in the live room, traded that for bar length, and that was a nice quick winner. So the length of the bar, quite a big bar actually, but that was a nice win. So basically we waited for the price action to break the low of the bar by 2 points. Sorry, let's just move that up. The low of the bar being 91, so basically 89. 89, you want to be going in that one. Let's delete that. Put the for some reason it's not moving properly. It's too it's too small amount of price. Anyway, it was 89. So basically, once that breaks down at any point in time, we sell the market, which it did, and yeah, it just basically fell off a cliff at that point in time. Really moved down aggressively. And then we got a nice big actually reversal pattern here, which is interesting. So down at 48.39, which is basically near 40, kind of near 40% off the market actually. So so yeah, we'll be interested to see if maybe that's actually a base now. We'll look at the daily charts in a minute, but that's a very interesting buying spike here, and certainly putting the market very oversold down here short term. Okay, so 5-minute bar was a nice winner, and then on the 1 hour chart from yesterday, let's just look at that one. Okay, so this was the 1 hour bar. Let's just get rid of these. Delete. Delete, right. Nice 1 hour bar here, but it needed to break up. Remember I said that the gap up at basically 7,300 had to break. We had to see it the 1 hour bar break up first. So just because of the volatility. So once this bar did break up, the gap was good to go, and actually the gap did fill out of hours up at 73.30 up here. But we needed that 1 hour to break up. Your stops would have had to be below the low here for that. So that trade also worked nicely to see the gap. So that was really it. We were waiting for We were either waiting for the 5-minute bar system, but we took it down in the end for the breakdown. And then if you wanted to, the 1 hour break up was good to go for the gap up here. So that was a review from yesterday, guys.